This is Golok Nyima Woeser, master of discipline from Tonkyab Monastery in Golok Gabde. He was arrested on the 11th August 2007 as the leader of more than 2,000 people from Gabde who demonstrated to preserve their religion. Nyima Woeser was released from prison in Xiling on the 15th November 2012. He first visited Kumbum, where he met Kenpo Lonyin and the brother of self-immolated Tulku Soepa from Tonkyab Monastery. Few days later, he could get back to his homeland Gabde for a short while, where he was welcomed as the greatest hero of the region. During the welcoming ceremony, he explained to hundreds of local citizens what was the reason to organize the demonstration in 2007. This is Tara Temple in Golok Gabde. This temple is built at the place where Nyima Woeser organized the demonstration in 2007. Villagers destroyed the precedent building, then they collected money to compensate the owner and to buy this place. They built up Tara Temple instead of the butcher that shocked their religious feelings. Chinese government not only arrested Nyima Woeser after the demonstration in 2007, but also punished Tonkyab Monastery by organizing the re-educational program for all monks. For that reason, Chinese police asked Nyima Woeser on November 2012 to get back in Tonkyab Monastery during nighttime to avoid mass gathering of local people inside the monastery. On those photos, he is inside Tonkyab Gompa, where he could meet his father and mother. When Nyima Woeser was released from prison, Chinese authorities asked him to stay inside Tonkyab Monastery for 6 months without getting outside. But on the end of December 2012, he suddenly had to get back in hospital in Xiling. When we contacted him, he couldn't answer, as he was under tight control of Chinese police.
Oleh meru la jaya jamu ji chilaya solai debi di xielo ni tong jialu de la lu su ma to toni hua wu rang zhu hu song wu de jia sa ye zhe lai ye ni tai Oleh kang jong kai ye ni de men bi so mo ram ye thal ta ve ni me la bai ngai ji la ma ye re gu si ole me cha chong che mi ko yo de sim ye sa ma so lang kri yo to de ji chi lai so lai de jin ye li la ja so sim lai zong yo de sai ye yang dur me an go lo ye nei ga ye cha cha ye jang zai ja bu nang ye la tai nga tung nga ja ye de ye ta ni so ta ji ye lang ri ye chen zan ye ni mai o zhe wo ye ma ru so de ye du ton de ye ta tai chen chang ye nang na ye kang ye che du so a long ye kun yo le wo ye kang jong ka ni ye na ye la ja so zhen ne ye mang gu khai la jai sha nu mang gu xin ni yo tang ni su la ja ye kong gu cha ye yo le me ye kong chu san bu li yo jam di ja zu yin na wo le go na me ye ton de ye man bi su ma ni len ro thế phô trong phô tai là ni gì giờ khó so ta ni giang thu bằng ni ta tăng chờ mai vẫn chân chưa chân những số sung người ta si bằng ni ta tăng chờ mai vẫn chân chưa chân những số sung người ta si